Would you lend 10 lakhs to this company for just 13 months? Here's why big investors already have. Imagine your friend comes to you and says, "Can you lend me 10 lakhs for 13 months? I will pay you interest every month and I will return your money at the end." Would you say yes immediately? Of course not. First, you will ask, "Who are you? Can I trust you? How will I get my money back?" That's exactly how smart investors think before investing in a non-convertible debentures. Stay till the end because this company has something very interesting behind it. The company we are talking about is Rupeek Capital Private Limited. You may not know about the company, but you probably know what they do. They help people get gold loans. And here's the interesting part. Instead of asking customers to visit a branch, they bring the gold loan service right to the customer's doorstep using technology. Now, here's the question. If thousands of people trust them with their gold, can investors trust them with their money? Let's find out. The next point is the first thing I always check before investing my own money is whenever I look at any investment, I ask one simple question: who is running the company? Because a good company starts with a good management. Rupeek was promoted by IITN entrepreneur with more than around 13 years of experience. But that's not all. The company is also backed by some of India's well-known investors like Peak 15, Axel, Bretman, India Investments and Elevation. Together they have invested more than around 1000 crores into the business. Think about it. Big investment firms don't invest blindly. They spend months checking a company's business before investing. That doesn't guarantee success, but it does show that experienced investors have evaluated the company. But here's the biggest confidence booster, and it is not the interest rate. Now let's talk about safety. Suppose you lend money to a friend. Would you feel safer if he simply promises to repay you, or if he also keeps valuable jewelry as a security? Most people would choose the second opinion. Rupeek's business works in a similar way. The company gives loans against physical gold. That means many of its loan receivables are backed by pledged gold. For this non-convertible debentures, there is also a corporate guarantee from Rupeek Fintech Private Limited, around 1.1 times of security cover, meaning security is maintained over the principal and interest obligations through eligible gold loan receivables. No investment is completely risk-free, but these features are designed to provide an additional layer of comfort for investors. Now let's see why banks themselves are willing to lend to this company. Rupeek doesn't work alone. Some well-known financial institutions have provided debt funding or partnered with the company. These include names like Federal Bank, AU Small Finance Bank, Credit Suisse, Northern Arc, Vivirthi, Incred, and others. When multiple lenders work with the same company, it often reflects confidence in its business model. Although every investor should still do their own research. Now, let's talk about what you actually receive if you invest. Here's a quick snapshot of this NCD. Investment tenure is 13 months. Interest is paid every month, giving you a regular cash flow. Your original investment amount is repaid at maturity. The expected IRR is around 12.25% based on the issue terms. The minimum investment is 10 lakhs. So this issue is mainly meant for investors who can invest large amounts. Every investment has two questions. Can the company earn? And the second question is, can the company repay? Rupeek is building a technology driven gold loan business supported by experienced management, backed by reputed investors, working with leading financial institutions, and operating in a business secured by gold. That doesn't make it risk free, but it does give investors several important factors to evaluate before making a decision. Strong management, gold as a support technology, technology giving business a smart start, monthly income, maturity gains, invest with knowledge, not just for the name. Think it through, study the plan. A smart investor always understands. Would you invest 10 lakhs in a 13 months NCD backed by technology driven gold loan business? Tell me yes or no in the comment. And most importantly, tell me why. If this video has helped you to understand non-convertible debentures in a simple language, save it for later. Share it with someone who invests in fixed income products and follow for more easy to understand investment education. Disclaimer is this video is for educational purposes only and not an investment advice. Non-convertible debentures carry credit risk. Please read the information memorandum, understand the risk, and consult your financial advisor before investing. Past performance or strong backing does not guarantee future returns. Thanks.